Hi, I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be taking you guys with me through my coding challenges, just to share with you guys kind of how I think as a developer. Maybe this helps you as a developer, or just if you want to see me and my thought process. So today, we'll get right to it. We're going to be doing a recursive problem, and our goal today is to print all the permutations of a given string. The question is, how do we use recursion to solve this problem? So a pattern that I was able to find is that if we select a letter and make a constant and then permutate the rest, we can generate our output. So take BBA, make the first B constant, and then permutate the BA, and at the end of the day, you'll get the first two output here, which is BBA and BAB. To get all the output, we can do this for each individual letter. We make the first B constant and then permutate BA. We make the second B constant and then we permutate BA. Lastly, we make the A constant and we permutate BB. We aggregate that output and ultimately we'll get the permutations of BBA. So now let's get to how we code this up. Here in my Eclipse, we have a main method calling the permutation method with ABBC, and we run it and generate this output. This is the permutations for ABBC. And here is where our code is. You can see here, this is our permutation method, and basically the only thing it's doing is calling the permutation helper and also printing. Basically, all the work here is being done in this method here, permutate helper. And if you notice here, the first thing we're doing in this if statement is this is our base case. Say there is only one letter in the array that's passed in, then we're just going to return that letter. Permutations of, say, letter A is letter A. So in every other case, however, we're going to go to this else block and we're going to come to this for loop. We'll use BBA as an example. BBA is going to come to this for loop. The first thing it's going to do is swap with 0 index, and basically what this is doing is selecting our constant. The second thing we're going to do in line 27 is then take the remainder of what was not selected as constant and put it in its own array, so BA, and then lastly we're going to re-permutate the remainder. So we're going to re-permutate BA. When we permutate BA, we're going to get AB and BA. So in our last loop here, we're going to prepend our constant with the recursed output. So we're going to go B plus BA, and then we're going to do B plus AB. So you can see that's how we generate our output for B constant. And basically we're just going to want to do that with every single letter within that passed in array. Finally, we aggregate all the output and we basically print our output. You can see down here, this is how we created our output for ABBC. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you were able to follow along, and I hope I did it well enough to do so. So as I go along in more of my coding exercises, I'll share kind of how I solved them. Yeah. So thanks for watching.